Now it's time to see how we can use comments. And comments are used when you want to add some information about what the code is doing, either for you when you will come later maybe to read the code and you don't remember what a particular section of code is doing, or for other developers which are going to use your code. And comments are ignored by the Python interpreter. They're not going to be executed. So now if I run this code that I have here, this print, we get this output in the console, but with a comment. And to use the comment, we put the hashtag sign, and then after the hashtag sign, we add our comments. I'm going to say this code is doing something. That is going to be ignored by the Python interpreter. It's not going to be executed as code. That is just for us there to give us some indication about what a particular section of code is doing. So now if I run this, you don't get nothing, because that is just plain text for us, the person who wrote the code, and for the person who maybe will will read your code later. So this is how you can create a comment in Python, and I'm gonna end the video now.